Hi, I'm Stuart Servitar, StuTutor, founder and lead tutor of ibidPREP, author of the Remain Clam series of books, Test Taking in the Student Mind. We'll only occasionally be interrupted by the sound of cars and maybe my cat going nuts, but otherwise I'm going to take a few minutes today for my first StuTube video to teach you about, what ibidPREP means. Why ibid? What the heck is that? Why found a tutoring company that doesn't have the word varsity or ivy or scholar in it? Because those are boring. Those are silly. We all want to go to ivies. We all want to be varsity. We all want to be scholars, maybe. But how do we do that? Ibid. Ibid is the way to do that. Why? What does ibid mean? Why did I choose ibid? Isn't that weird? Yes, part of it's to get your attention. Part of it is to get you thinking, because that's how you do better on tests. We all know that tests are evil. They're the end of Western civilization. They're unfair. As opposed to grades, which are inflated, or you can beg for, or you can badger for, or you just have to fill out enough homework to get the right grades. Tests are unfair because you're either right or wrong, and there's no way to finagle that. And how do you do better on standardized tests? What do you do? Well, a lot of the time on standardized tests, if you're a good student, not necessarily great grades, not necessarily, an apple polisher, but maybe you've actually learned what you've been taught. Maybe you can look back and access knowledge, not just from yesterday to repeat on the test, but 5, 10, well, not 10, that would be like kindergarten for almost all of you, but 5 years ago, 4 years ago, 3 years ago, you access knowledge because you've learned it, because it's ingrained in you. And that's what ibid means. Ibid means look back. It's a bibliographical term. I'm going to try that one more time. A bibliography is what you write, or you footnote in a document, in a text, in a report, and you reference things like a book or a website, and you say, see page 8. And if you use that site again, instead of rewriting all the information about that site, you just write ibid. It means look back. Look back. Look back to what you already know, should know, or never did know, but we're going to now. And that's what ibidPREP is all about. So welcome, join me, watch these things, listen to the cars, listen for the cat, and pay attention. And then it gets a heck of a lot easier. See you next time.